Welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. This is part 2 of the people. Let's go. Alright, so it did have a part 2 to it, so let's go. So it says now, draw all the lines of symmetry on the shape above. So lines of symmetry mean you're gonna cut the shape or figure in two exact. So when you fold it, they fold exactly on each other. So I'm gonna try my very best to draw it. Portion. You're thinking this, if you like one. If you're not thinking it, join my class. My number is 876-549. So that's one. If you should fold it this side to this side, you get exactly right. What about this one? Yeah, and if you fold this onto this, it will be perfect. Alright, so that's two lines of symmetry. Let's move on to 37. It says the above numbers are the scores in a game of dart. What is the mean score? Now, how do we obtain the mean? And what is another name for the mean? Type in that, guys. Let's see if you are learning. Join my class, guys. I have class for PEP, lower school, 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, and 11th grade. Alright? Also do city and guilds. Let's go. So the mean, another name for the mean is average. So it's the mean or the average. So what it is, we add up all the numbers and then divide it by the total number of numbers. Let's go. So it's 2. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, do so now, alright? You're missing out a lot. Alright. Right, let's add it and count the numbers. So 2 plus 6, that's 8, plus 2, 10, 17, 18, 25, 33, 39, 45, 41. I'm getting 41. Let's try from this angle. So these make 18. So 18 plus 7, 25, 32, 33, 39, 41, 47, 49. I get no. I work with the 49. You guys add it up until we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 10 numbers. So the mean would be 4.9. Add it up one more time. It's 18 and 7, 25 plus that 32, 33, 40, 42, 48, 50. So it's actually 50. What the hell in the world? So many can't add in 50, guys. So the mean would be 5. 1, 6, 8, 10, 7, 18, 25, 32, 38, 44, 50. Yeah, it is indeed. Alright, so this should be 50. And please ensure that you go over them. Hit the like button if you're just joining. So the mean would be 5 there. Alright, so item 38 refers to the following diagram. Let's see what the diagram says. It says Batman, Xena, Pokemon, and Rugrats. It says use the information on the graph to answer the following questions. Question: how many more children prefer watching Xena, so that's Xena, to Rugrats? So first, let us identify how many children prefer watching Xena. So go at Xena, go up, read it off. So that's 25. Let's go to Rugrats now, and that's 15. So they only want the difference, right? So it's 25 minus 15, which works out to 10. So 10 children prefer to watch Xena, the warrior princess. Alright, so it's 10 Let's move on to 39. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Please ensure so you subscribe so you can get free videos. Join my class 876-549-2161. It's online. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Alright. A standard V class has 22 boys. So let me just write all that information because I don't know I'm gonna 22 boys and 16 girls. So that's the standard. So let's see what they say now. If 2 girls are added to the class, what percentage will be girls? So 2 is added. So that leaves us with 18. So we have a total now of 18 girls. What the hell in the world is happening? So we have 18 girls now. So they want to find out what percentage are girls. So what's the total? It would be 18 plus 22, which is 40. So that's 18 out of 40. That are the girls. And then we times it by 100 and get our percentage. We can clearly see that it don't reach 50%. So if I work it out and it looks spooky, because it don't reach 50%. So let's go. We can use 2. 2 into 18, that's 9. 2 into this, 2 times. 2 into this, 1. 2 into 10, 5. So that's 9 times 5, which works out to 45%. And it makes sense, right? It's close to 50, but it's not 50. So 45% are girls. That means 55% are boys. 6% is out of 100. All right, so let's go on to Adrian. Look yourself, Adrian. So Adrian bought 30 plums. He gave his sister 1/3 of them and gave his friends 1/4 of the remainder. What fraction of the plums did Adrian keep for himself? Very nice question. Well done, well done. Let's go. Who can answer that? Look yourself, Trinidad, Tobago, Guyana, Bahamas, the entire Jamaica, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Bahamas. Yo, big up everybody, you know. Alright, so you bought 30 plums, so let's go. So 30 plums, that's total. He gave away 1/3, so you have 2/3 leave. So let's just take it from that angle. So you have 2/3 leave. So what is 2/3 of that? Is 3 to that 1, 3 to that 10, so that's 20. So you have 20 remainder. Alright? So we done this already now. Then he gave his friend 1/4 of the remainder. So that means he keep 3/4. So if you give away 1/4, you keep 3/4. Right? And guys, if you don't understand why I'm getting like 3/4, go back to my earlier videos. Alright? So 3 times 5 is 15, so he keep 15 for himself. Alright, let's move on to 41. Mike buys 15 shirts for $1,200. How much would 4 such shirt cost? Mike buys 15 shirts for $1,200. How much would 4 shirts cost? Will it cost less or will it cost more? Alright, so what I would suggest to you guys, whenever you get these type of questions, right? Always find out what one costs. And to find out what one costs, we're going to divide 1,200 by 15. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So remember, no calculators are allowed. 15 into 1, you can't. That's 0. 15 into 12, you can't either. How many times do we add 15 to give us 120? Alright, is it 8? Is it 9? Is it 10? Can't be 10, right? Because it'll be 150. So that's 8 times. Alright? 8 times that give us 1. 8, 5, 40. 8 once 8, and that's 12. Alright, so this is 0. 4 into 0, 0. So we know that it's $80 for 1. And how many do we want? It's 40 times. I mean, 40. 80 times 4. Sorry, guys. Sometimes my mind run away. Run away. Run away. So it's 4 times 8 because it's $80 for one of the shirt. Alright? 8 0 0. 8 4s 32. So it would cost $320 for 4 of the shirt. And it makes sense, right? Another 4 costs $320, that's $640, right? Another 4, and so on. Alright, let's go, let's go. Alright, let's move on to 42. 5 boxes, each containing 48 marbles, were repacked into 8 smaller boxes. How many marbles were in each of the 8 boxes? Alright, let's go. So first we need to know the total number of marbles that there are. And then we can take it from there. Alright? So let us assume. No, assume. It was given. So 5 boxes each contain 48 marbles. So we know there are 48 marbles, right? And we had 5 boxes. So let's multiply by 5. That will give us the total of all the marbles. So 5 8, 40. 5 4, 20, and 24. So what it is, we have a total of 240 marbles. But now we're gonna put them in 8 boxes. So we're gonna divide it equally. So it's 240 divided by 8. 8 into 2 you can't, 8 into that 3. So that's 30. So that's 30 marbles in each box. Let's move on to 43. So good so far, guys. Hit the like button. Make sure you watch part 1. Alright, calculate the area in centimeter of the figure shown above. Alright, let's go. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Please ensure that you're subscribed if you have not subscribed. So we're gonna find the area for this. How do we want to do it? I want to draw a line. See, you can work this way. Draw a line here. Alright, so we know the dimension for here, so we need to figure it out for all of this side. So here is 3, this is 8, this is 4. So let's go. So 4 plus 5 is 12. So all of this works out to 12. Let's double check. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 3, 12. So this part is 4 by 12. So let me establish that first. Alright. This part is 3. Alright. So here now is 10. So this is 5 by 10. Everybody see that? The 10 is up 5 here, and then this is 10. So we're going to multiply them. So it's 5 times 10, which work out to 50. Remember it's area, so it's square. And then 4 times 12, which is 48. So that works out to 98 on add 8. Alright, so let's just put it where they say. So it's 98 centimeters square. Alright, let's move on to 44. A library charges 50 cents per book per day for returning books late. A student paid $9 for returning 3 books late. The books were all borrowed on the same day. Calculate the number of days the books were overdue. Alright, so first of all, let us check it. We can check it day by day, right? So day 1, 3 books. That's that. So that's $1.50. That's day 1, right? So for day 1, So it's 50 cents per book and it's 3 books. That means say for day 1, when we put 150, that's it, 150 actually is the total to pay for day 1. Alright. Day 2, another 150 added. So that's $3, right? And you continue like that. So you can say now how many. I don't want to confuse you guys. Let me just switch. So each day you're gonna keep adding. So you're gonna do an extra 3 days, so that's 6 days. So if 2 days is $3, that means say you need 2 more 2 days, right? To get to 9. So it would be 6 days. Or you could simply say, since 1 day it takes $1.50, how many $1.50 in $9, and that's 6. Alright, so you can say 6 times this, give me back the 9. So it's 6 days. Whichever way you want to look at it, alright guys. The cash price of a TV set was $1,500. The higher purchase price was $160 per month for 1 year. How much was saved by paying the cash price? So if people who not trust, we're not gonna offer them this, but we know of trust because we're not rich. Hit the like button now, guys. So quotes, big up yourself. When you're not gonna make me be an ambassador. Somebody send this to quotes, no? Want to be the ambassador, you know. Let me deal. Alright, so the cash price was 1,005. So ignore that. So it's 160 per month for a year. So that means it's gonna be a total of 12 months. That's what make a year, I was told. Alright, so let's go. So multiplying this by 200, 2612, 2 carry 1, 2 ones, 2 and 3. Put a 0 for all the space. 100,166. So this is the total money you're gonna pay on higher purchase. Let's see. No man, something alright. And if multiply, I didn't put a 0 to all the space. Yo, this is so shit. Oh, the 1. I didn't put the 1. Alright, sorry guys, sorry. So put a 0 for all the space. Alright, 100,166, and then 1 times 1, 1. Alright, so that's 9, 1,920. So the total is 1,920. But look what they ask for, how much did I save? If you buy cash, you have to pay only 1,500. So I have to subtract, right? 0, 2, 4. So if you buy cash, you have to save $420. Which is super awesome. So rich people are always be richer, when the poor are always poorer. You just like button guys, because you're not poor, because you do your maths. Yeah. Alright, so let's move on to number 46. A vendor bought 6 dozen eggs for $30 while transporting 6 eggs were broken. The remainder was sold at $7.50 per dozen. What was the profit? Okay, so let's go. So what them say, a vendor bought 6 dozens of eggs for $30. So let us just convert. How many is in 6 dozen? Alright, so that would be, a dozen is actually 12. So you know them stuff here now guys. So that works out to 72. So you have a total of 72 eggs, but guess what? Because of your carelessness, you broke 6. So you have to go subtract out that 6 there. That work broke. So 6 from that leave what? 6 from that leave 66. So you have 66 eggs and you sell them $7.50 a one. Alright? Let's do 750 times 66. Alright, so 600, 65, 30, 65, 30, 67, 42, and that 45. So we are multiplied by the same number, so you can follow the same pattern, right? You know them style, guys. When I know them style, yeah. 0, 0, 5, 9. So that's 495. Two decimal places, so we say 1. Something alright about this, you know. And enough profit is what the heck can you do? I've been about 6,000 of eggs for $30. That's the total, you know. While transporting 6 eggs were broken. The remainder was sold for per dozen. Jesus. Me I work out per one. Cause me I say, how could it be so much profit? It's per dozen, not per one. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there. This is madness. Alright, so you have 66 eggs. So basically, 5.5 dozen. Alright, because 6 broke, so half dozen. Alright, so you have 5.5, but it's per dozen. I was thinking per one. Come here and say, yo, how can they make so much profit? I would just start selling eggs now. So it's 55. No, it's 750. What is that? 750 times 55. I say, yo, so much profit upon egg, man. This represents the 5.5. Alright. 500, 55, 25. 57, 35, and that's 37. Now it's all follow the same pattern again. So 0, 0, 5, 7, 3. 0, 5, 2 carry 1. So that's 11. So that's 4. But in all, you have 3 decimal pieces. So it's a $41. So when you sell off all of them, you make $41. 25 cents. Alright. So all I have to do is subtract $30 from this, and this will be our profit. So that's what? 5, 2, 0 from that, leave 1, 0 from that. So he made $11.25. That is not bad. Alright. Like a curse. Anytime I do, I don't understand it. Calculate the size of the angle mark X in the triangle shown above. Alright. So one thing we know that this is an isosceles triangle. So right here says also X. These base angles are equal. We also know that every triangle adds up to 180. Alright, so we subtract 52 from 180. That is going to give us 128. So we have 128, and since it's equal, we divide it by 2, which works out to 64. So X is equal to 64 degrees. Remember, it's angle 64 and 64, 128, 128 plus 52. Guys, make sure you add it up, you know. Just in case, sometimes you can make some simple error, you know. So you know what happens. Make no error. So you come to boom, 0, carry 1, 8. So it's 180. Alright? Always double check your work. Hit the like button now, guys. Mr. Bennett, I encourage you to videos for you when you can pass in the exam. Alright, the diagram shows a circle with center O. He turns a point O in the direction of the arrow. Take the position S. To what size angle in degrees does turn? So you can understand what they're asking. Alright, so listen, we could break it down. They said the diagram shows a circle with center O. He turns to the point O. About the point O, okay, in the direction of the arrow, take the position S, okay, which is here. Through what size angle in degrees does P turn? So basically, them asking you for this angle. First, you have to understand the question. So we know that a circle measures 360 degrees, and it stops at this point right here. Minus 125. That will be our answer. 5 from 0, you can't. That will be 5, that will be 3, that will be 2. So it turned 235. The key thing is to know that the circle measures 360 degrees while the triangle, how much the triangle measure, guys? Correct, 180 degrees. Alright. After playing 4 test matches, the batsman average was 56. If he made 71 runs in the 5th test, what would his average now? Alright, two ways you can look at it. You can just add 56 and 71 and divide by 2. Or you could just go the long way and say multiply 4 times 56 and get this total aggregate. I'm going to try both ways and see if it works. So you have 4 tests and you average of 56. You have to know how much you're making at each, or we do multiply by 4, because average of 54 is a number divided by 4 to 56. So 4, 6, 24. I'm going to try both these give us the correct answer. 4, 5, 20 and that 22. So he made a total of 224 runs, right? So we're going to add, and the next innings, the 5th innings now, he made 71. So that gives you a 5 and 9, so that's 295. So he made 295 in 5 innings now. So let's divide by 2, 22, 1, 1, blah, blah, 29, 4, 1 over else, right? So you get 15, 2 into 15, 7. So his average, what the hell? Something alright, guys. A 5, maybe I divide by, oh, me get 2 there, so. So, I mean, it won't see everything you dad. You need to bring for some money. Guys, it's supposed to be 5, as I was saying, so I'm get 2, right? So 5 into 2, you can't 5 into that 5 times. So 5, 5, 25. Subtract, you get 5 from that 4. Divide by 5, 5 into that 9. So its average supposed to be 59. Alright, let us add 56 plus 71. And divide by 2. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do by 2. Something alright, yes, sir. Something alright, yes, sir. 6 and 1, 7. To the work out. This would be the correct answer though. 59, 5, 9, 45. So why this problem? It's him average of that. And him add an additional average. Alright, let's go, let's go. This would probably be the final one. Let's go. Alright, so we're at number 50. Let's go. Hit the like button, guys. Remember, if you want to join my class, this is my number. Let's go. So it's 876. I don't know a Jamaican, alright? 549. That's our era code. 2161. So what's happening? Let's get started. CSEC PEPSEA again. Let's see. Alright, the pie chart above shows how Mary uses her monthly salary, which is $3,000. Mary spent the same for rent as she does for travel. Rent and travel. Okay, yeah. How much more money in dollars does Mary spend on food than on the rent? Alright. So technically, spend a quarter pound and he spend 1/8 for rent. Oh Lord. I want an easier way to work it out now, but I'm gonna go the long route. to go with a long, boring note. Alright, so it's $3,000, right? What we know that this is 3,000 divided by 2, which is rent, travel, food, right? So that we divide by 2. So this portion here is $1,500. That's what he spends on all three of these. Alright? And he spent half of this on food. Everybody agree? Because this represents a quarter, it's a half of this. So he spent half of this on food. So for food, we spend 50 divided by 2, that's 700. That's what he spent on food. And he spent the other 50, other 750, divide this by 2. So let's divide this by 2 to find out how much he spent. Because technically, if there always 750 minus the amount, it's gonna work out the same. Alright? So 2 into 7, that goes 3 times. 2 into 15 goes 7 times. Remainder 1, so that's 5. So it's actually 375 more. Because look, if it's gonna be 750, that's what he spent on food, and he spent 375. So minus this, it's gonna give it same 375. So it's 375, alright? So guys, see my number there, call my number. So you can get to the school of your choice. And you can get MC separated, alright? So this is none of spending time out, no doubt. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, share the video, guys. Share the video with a friend. Tell them to share it with a friend. Share it with a family member. Share it with a fan. Share it with a hater, no matter who. Just share the video. Alright? So people can come on and learn. Alright. So thank you guys. I appreciate you all. This is Aaron spending time out, no doubt.